Hi, I'm Sergey and welcome to JavaDabbaDoo, your online Java tutorial. For this particular video, we'll talk about Java technology, the basics of Java programming language, and the Java framework. At the end of this video lesson, you are expected to apply the basics of Java language, demonstrate knowledge in Java technology and Java programming, and create executable Java applications in accordance with Java framework. But first, it is important to know the history of Java. In Silicon Valley, California, the green team of San Marcos Systems, composed of Patrick Naughton and Mike Sheridan under the supervision of James Gosling, aimed to develop an advanced programming language for the betterment of consumer electronic devices. In 1991, they were able to develop a platform-independent software named Oak. Because of some conflicts, it was renamed as Java, and in 1996, the Java 1.0 was released to the world. In 2010, the San Marcos Systems was acquired by Oracle Corporation. Why was Java created? C and C++ were powerful programming languages, but they are platform-dependent. To explain that, imagine a C++ program was developed in Windows. Therefore, it will not work on a Linux server because it is a different platform. This is referred to as platform dependency. Java program does not depend on operating system. A Java program created on Windows can work on any other operating systems. This made Java very popular. The World Wide Web was new in the 90s, and the needs of the web such as reliability, platform independence, and security all match the characteristics of Java. How does Java work? Java is a high-level programming language, somehow easy because it uses English-like codes. The computer can only understand machine language, so the Java source code is converted to machine language by the compiler. The compiler checks the syntax code, optimizes our code, and generates the machine code. The interpreter, on the other hand, executes the source code line by line. It is slower, but it's platform independent. For comparison, the compiler executes faster, but is platform dependent, while the interpreter executes slower but is platform independent. Java uses both compilation and interpretation. How is that possible? Through the Java virtual machine. Let's say a Java source code was saved with a file name helloworld.java. After compilation, Java bytecode will be created with a file name helloworld.class. This Java bytecode can be executed by JVM on any machine, thus creating the output. To check your understanding, answer this quiz. There will be 5 statements. For every statement, give a thumbs up sign if the statement is true. If the statement is false, give a thumbs down sign. You'll be given 5 seconds to answer before the correct answer is shown. I hope your score is 5. Let's now continue. Java is a powerful general-purpose programming language. It is used to develop desktop and mobile applications, big data processing, embedded systems, and so on. According to Oracle, the owner of Java, Java runs on 3 billion devices worldwide, making Java one of the most popular programming languages around the world. Are you ready to start Java programming? First, you should have the JDK or the Java Development Kit. Download JDK on Google. After downloading a JDK, you'll be needing a Java IDE or an integrated development environment. An example of an IDE is BlueJ that you can download on Google for free. But if you're using mobile, all you need to do is download an IDE for mobile. An example is JavaDabbaDoo. You can also download this for free via Play Store. Once you have your IDE, you are now ready to make your first Java program.
For now, I'll be showing you how to make your first Java program using BlueJ. So first, open BlueJ. Once the program is open, click Project, then click New Project. You are to type now here the name of the project. Let's say it's First Project. And click OK. You'll see this. You can just maximize that. Now click New Class. This time you type the name of the class or the file name. It's First Program. Then click OK. You will see this. And then you are to right click, then open editor. You will see a lot of codes. You can just select all and delete that first. Then you can now type the codes of our first Java program. Once you're done typing the codes, you can now compile. Click compile, and you will see here at the bottom part that there are no syntax errors. When there are no syntax errors, you are done with your first program. Close that. You can now run it, and how to run it is right click here, click void main string args, and click OK. You will see the output. Welcome to Java programming.
Let us now discover the parts of your first Java program. Let us take them one by one. Starting off with the comments. These are comments and they are not read by Java. Comments serve as guide to programmers and are used to put notes inside a program. Start with a slash followed by asterisk and end with asterisk and slash for multi-line comments, while use the // at the beginning of single-line comments. The class declaration. Every Java application must have at least one class definition that consists of class keyword followed by class name. When we say keyword, it means that it should not be changed. We should use it as it is. However, the class name can be customized by the programmer. Before we proceed, let's have the guidelines in writing class name. First, class name should be noun or noun phrases. Class name is same as file name. Class name starts with a capital letter. Use whole words and avoid synonyms. Try to keep your class name simple and do not use space. Curly braces. They come in pairs. Open curly brace is used to start the beginning of main block and close curly brace ends the main block. Everything in the main block is executed by the JVM. Curly braces are also used to enclose the codes of an entire class. Let me explain to you the components of the method statement one by one. Public. This makes the main method public. That means that we can call the method from outside the class. Static. We do not need to create object for static methods to run. They can run itself. Void. It does not return anything. Main. It is the method name. This is the entry point method from which the JVM can run your program. String args. Used for command line arguments that are passed as strings. The output code. This line of codes prints the contents inside the double quotes into the console, and inserts a new line after the text. This code will give you this output. To check your understanding, answer this quiz. Read the following Java codes carefully, analyze, and fill in the missing parts. You'll be given 5 seconds to answer each. After 5 seconds, the correct answer will be shown. I hope you got it all correct. Let's now proceed. For your last activity for this video lesson, make a program that will display 10 of your favorites. It can be a band, music, a song, food, or anything, as long as it's your top 10. Save it with a file name or a class name, My Favorites. Did you see errors after compiling? That's what happens when you do a mistake in encoding your codes for your Java. And when there are some missing parts, the IDE will tell you what's wrong with your program. That's all for now for this video lesson. I hope you learned the basics of Java. See you next time, all here on JavaDabbaDoo, your online Java tutorial.